There's a new app on the scene to rival TikTok's growing dominance in the short-form video platform market. In fact, it was reported in October that this new app called Firework is even being eyed by Google as a possible acquisition. Interesting, right? In its March launch press release, Firework said it was the fastest social media app to achieve 1 million users in only 5 months while still in beta, growing more than 200% quarter over quarter. So why should you care? Because even with all the attention, Firework is still a new app, and it's a lot easier to stand out as a creator on a new app than one that's already oversaturated. That's why in today's video, we examine how you can stand out on the Firework app. Hi, I'm Fiona, your coach for all things singing, including mindset, marketing, and monetization. Are you a singer or performing artist interested in a profitable, consistent, sustainable career? Then take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. New videos every Wednesday. So let's get to it and cover the top 7 facts and features of the Firework app. Sound good? The Firework app is a video platform only, no photos or captions, unless they're creatively embedded within a video. How short is short, Fiona? Short is short, 15 to 30 seconds max. And if you're in the paid creator program like I am, then to qualify for payment, your videos need to be at least 20 seconds, but still no more than 30. And by 30 seconds, we mean exactly 30, not 30.1. Speaking of the paid creator program, this video is not sponsored by Firework and is entirely my own unbiased opinions. Would you like to get paid to create? Then watch this video here. And if you're new to the Firework app, download it directly from my personal link in the description below to follow me first. One of the fun and unique things about Firework is its patent-pending reveal technology. Reveal means the video shifts its orientation as you shift your device. This means you can hide additional content in the form of words, film perspective, even people on the side of the frame, and they'll only be revealed if the viewer shifts their device. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so this is one of my favorite accounts on Firework, and as you can see, it looks pretty... Wait, where'd they go? Oh, there they are. So this is what I'm talking about in terms of this whole idea of the reveal technology. It's pretty neat, right? As a user, the reveal feature is really fun. But as a creator, you definitely have to pay attention to the details. Already, the Firework dimensions are smaller than a YouTube video, and it's very easy to cut off your head when you switch from the vertical to the horizontal orientation. Oops. When I was first getting started on Firework, I wasn't very clear about this and often cut off a part of my head, almost always cut off the forehead, because it just took me a while to figure it out. I'm still figuring it out, really. It's important to know how to optimize your content for different platforms, right? When adjusting to Firework from Instagram or Twitter, understand that you'll need a new hashtag strategy specific to the platform. Firework only allows for 3 hashtags, so you really need to be specific. Got it? But the great thing about Firework is that even though you only get 3 hashtags, if you're strategic about your choices, you can still stand out and are far more likely to get featured than you are to get on Instagram's Explore page. At least this has been my experience. Isn't that cool? So here we are on the Firework Discover page, and these are the trending topics. And if you go down just a little bit, you see that one of the trending topics is hashtag Frozen. And I did a music video from Frozen 2, and I hashtagged it Frozen. And I had several mini covers within that one video. And here, all 4 of them are showing up already on the Frozen hashtag within the Discover page. Want to know more? Firework has eliminated the whole likes and comments way of engagement. What this means is that you won't get spammed on your posts by accounts trying to get your attention to buy their products or services. You can really just get to enjoy the content itself. And if you want to show your appreciation, you can repost the video or send the creator a direct message. That's it. Simple and clean. Got it? Ready to join Firework? Download it through my link below. Members of the Firework Creator Program also have the option of creating a group community chat. I've joined several, started one of my own, and then shut mine down in order to be more strategic. For now, I'm content to explore what the other creators are doing with this feature. Different creators run these chats for different reasons. Some are follow for follow engagement pod type situations, and others are really about helping each other learn about the app. I like the second group. For my own chat, I tried to create a group specific to singers and specifically the business side of singing, but attracted people interested in more of an engagement pod. My plan is to observe how different creators are doing with their chats and then try again in a few months. Makes sense, right? As you probably know, Instagram is saturated with spammers and scammers. Every angle is being played in terms of buying likes, comments, even paid story watching, all in an attempt to fool brands into giving influencers deals when they don't actually have any real influence. Because the Firework app is so new, this just isn't a thing yet. I don't know how long it'll last as the platform is growing so quickly. But for now, we can breathe freely. No one can buy followers or views, and there are no likes or comments. Isn't that a relief? So what's the best strategy for standing out as a new creator on the platform? Create a lot of quality content. When I first joined the paid creator program, I was offered a bonus of $200 if I uploaded 20 videos in 30 days. Amazing, right? I'm so glad they offered this bonus because it's what motivated me to action. And I believe this quantity of quality videos is largely responsible for my quick growth. And because I was so successful so quickly with a number of trending videos all achieving far more reach than I ever have had on YouTube or Instagram, I've continued to upload on an almost daily basis. Want to see some of my trending videos? Download Firework through the link in the description below. I'm really enjoying Firework, and I think it's a great place for singers and musicians to share their music, both covers and originals. In fact, it's pretty great for video creators in just about every niche. Want to learn more about how to grow on Firework? I'm just scratching the surface of what's possible, so definitely let me know in the comments if you'd like to learn more, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified about my next Firework video. Did this video help you with Firework? Then go ahead and like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and definitely let me know in the comments below what other topics you'd like me to cover about Firework and about your singing career in general. Want to learn more about Firework right away? Then watch this video about the Firework Paid Creator Program, and maybe you too can get paid to create. And now, as always, go out into the world and let your light shine. You deserve to be heard, and the world deserves to hear you.